In this video, I will show you how to determine the market value of a property like a pro. Let's start with the basics. Find at least 3 comparable properties. These homes need to be identical or similar. For example, if the subject property is one story, compare it only to other one-story homes. Compare apples to apples. Choose recent sales, homes that were sold within 3 months. If you can't find similar properties sold within 90 days, extend the time frame to 6 months. Start to search for comparable properties in the same neighborhood. If there are no recent sales, search within 1 mile. In suburban areas, you can extend the search to 5-mile radius, and for rural homes, you may look beyond the 5 miles. Choose comparable properties that are 300 square feet smaller or larger. The price per square foot for larger homes is always cheaper. This is the reason why calculating value by multiplying it by price per square foot doesn't work. Choose properties that are similar age, 5 years older or 5 years newer. Ideally, the comparable properties should have the same amenities. Compare pool homes with pool homes, homes that have patio with other homes that have patio, water views, etc. What if you can't find recently sold homes that are similar? You have to adjust for that, and I'll show you how next.
The best way to show you how to value a property is to actually do it, and you can watch me. My subject property is 1418 Marshwood Drive. Redfin is saying that the estimate is 210. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1259 square feet, heated square feet, and 1-car garage home. What I'm going to do first is click on neighborhood. Oh, by the way, I'm using Redfin, and go down to median real estate values. Click on the location. The name of the community is Chestnut Forest, and this will show me the boundaries of the neighborhood. Go to filters, and what I want to find is not for sale properties, but I want to find recently sold, so we'll click listing status for sale off. That brings the sold properties, and that's on. I don't see many, so we'll go to the last 6 months and see what's showing. Okay, that's more like it. Apply filters, and here are the properties. I will here 2-story homes, so that's not the same as mine, or it's not similar, so I'm going to look only at 1-story homes and something that's closer to the square footage of my subject property, which is 1200 square feet, 1256. So this is a good comparable property. This is also a good comparable property, and this is also good comparable property, although it's slightly larger with 4 bedrooms. However, the price kind of concerns me because it's it's way too low, so I want to see why. Sometimes there are mistakes. When I look at Zillow, and it shows me who actually sold it, and I actually emailed them and found out that this is the price that this property sold for. And interestingly enough, though, I also looked at the Hillsborough County appraiser website, and when we see the sales history, they made a mistake here as well. So they listed it at 116, and Redfin picked it from the public records. So, but the price as confirmed by the real estate agent is 232. So we'll use that. So I have my 3 comparable properties. And the next thing I'm going to use is the CMA that we prepared. You can download this from the description below. What it does, it does the square footage and other amenities adjustments for you. So all you need to do is enter the subject property. I just wanted to show you how it looks when it's empty. When you download it, it's going to look like that. And then you start with the subject property 1418 and go down. In the subject property, you're not going to have sale price, so don't put anything there. Number of rooms, so you add bathrooms and bedrooms together. So 3 baths, 2 bedrooms, total 5 rooms. Square footage 1259. It's a 1-car garage, so I put 1. Age, it's 16 years old. No pool, no fence, no screen patio enclosure, no porch. And so next what I'm going to do is enter all of my comparable properties, 3 comparable properties. So this is the sale price here. I enter the sale price. Don't write anything in the gray shaded areas because that's where the calculations are. Just enter the information here. Time adjustment, this was recent sale within 3 months, so I'm not going to put anything there. Number of rooms, 6, because it's a 4-bedroom and 2-bath. Slightly larger, 1488. It's a 2-car garage, the same age, 16, and the rest. Here it's a loan. I know this property because I emailed the agent. You don't have to do that, but the more information you input, the closer to real value you're gonna get. And then the next comparable is you do the same, enter the sale price, number of rooms. This sold within 3 months, so I don't have to adjust. I don't have to enter anything for time adjustment, and you just continue down the same way. And the last one is something that sold 5 months ago, so this is beyond the 3 months, so I will put 5 months. And this only goes up to 6 months, so it's not gonna work if you cannot put 7 months, 8 months, so up to 6 months. So if it sold 6 months ago, I will put 6 here. Up to 3 months, you don't have to enter anything, and you just go and enter everything here below loan, and once you're done, you'll get the indicated value, which is right here, indicated value. Let's see what Redfin, we know that Redfin is saying that this is valued at 210, which I know for sure is not correct. And then let's look at Zillow, and let's see, Zillow is saying 192, so that's closer to what our CMA is indicating.
Thank you for watching. This video is part of the 90 Days to Your First Deal Challenge, an actionable step-by-step guide to buying your first investment property. In addition to the training videos and materials, you can participate in the Saturday Q&A live stream. Plus, you can ask me any questions by email. The link to sign up for the challenge is included in the description below. and participating is completely free.